How are you today? I hope today's a great day for you. Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, you know that when it comes to makeup tips or even fashion tips, I like to offer things that are super easy to do, even if you're a beginner. Especially for makeup, I don't like to offer anything that is super technical or you have to be really precise in order to do it. I want things to be this easy. So today I've got a really easy concealer tip for you that involves setting spray. You know I like some makeup setting spray. And I will link the concealer that I'm using and the setting spray down in the description of this video. But first, I need to put some foundation on. Okay, here's where I am in the process. I have my foundation on and I just applied my concealer. So I want to encourage you when you're done with this that I'm going to link a concealer video down in the description below this video. One of the things that I shared in that video was about taking your concealer and applying it to your hand and then using a brush to apply your concealer. That tip, life changing. And even though my concealer is only $6, you'll be surprised at how long this $6 concealer will last. So my concealer's been applied. Now let me get my setting spray and I'm gonna show you my tip. I love this setting spray. It's under $10. What I'm gonna do is I have my foundation on and my concealer on, and now I'm going to do just a couple of squirts just to set the concealer and foundation. But wait, there's more. While my setting spray is drying, it's still a little damp. Now I'm gonna take my setting powder and go ahead and just tap it in to set that concealer underneath my eyes and set my slightly damp foundation. Putting a little bit of setting spray on after foundation and concealer and then setting it with your powder makes a huge difference for me, especially if you're like me. I'm over 50 and I still have oily skin, so I need powder. Several people, I get messages all the time going, no, powder just enhances your lines. When you have oily skin like I do, it doesn't. Like, I need to set the foundation and I need to set the concealer. So when the setting spray is slightly damp, that's when I take my setting powder and I just tap it in to set that concealer and my foundation. Okay, I'm not done yet, but let me finish my makeup and I'll come back and tell you one small little step to finish off the whole process. In the meantime, if you're enjoying this, I really hope that you'll like this video and subscribe. You'll come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Come on over there and say hi. Let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. I have all of my makeup on now except for mascara. So what I'm gonna do is take my setting spray and spray 3 or 4 more sprays to set everything. Before, when I used my setting spray, I only was setting my concealer and foundation. Then I applied the rest of my makeup. Now I'm going to spray and lock in everything and then apply mascara. When you do this, I think that you're gonna find your makeup will be beautiful all day long, 10, 12 hours a day. And I think you're gonna find less cracking and creasing and separating, especially with your concealer. I hope that you'll try this and come back and let me know how it worked. I hope that concealer and setting spray trick was easy and helpful. If it was, again, I hope you'll like this video and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you next time. So go out today and be blessed and do your best.